new week. So today I'm actually building a workbench because, well, I've got a workbench, but I don't like the size of it. So I've got this massive frame here off the old neighbour. It's way too deep, like, you know, I can't even touch that steel without leaning out. And I hate workbenches. This one will probably become an island. I'm building a new one to go in here. So we're mitering the corners of, this is actually Aussie gal, surprisingly not too expensive either, but we're 2.8 wide, which will fit in that hole. And yeah, just building the workbench. This big bench, I'm in two minds between keeping it and getting rid of it. It's handy, doesn't have a roof, and doesn't have a skin on it. I've got a sheet of 3mm over there, which I bought ages ago to put a skin on it, but it's a bit too big. Might end up becoming a roll around inside the shed somewhere, but yeah, it's also very light. Like, it's only made out of 10mm. It was a workbench out of the old neighbour's work. He managed to score it. He turned it into a dog kennel, and then when we moved, I'm like, I need a workbench, and he's like, come get this. So yeah, I've been in your waters. Well, I didn't realise the camera died somewhere where I was welding the corners together, but yeah, stop for a drink. I got this piece cut in and I got to tack that corner. And yeah, brought myself a drink out here. I probably should be doing it in there, but I don't want to get stuff in there dirty yet. I'm still working out where everything's going. Got the 12 HT sitting there as well. Hopefully that thing sells soon. But yeah, let's keep on going. Well, it's the next morning. Ended up yesterday after I turned the camera off, I went and cut up a sheet of steel. I've got a 3 meter length of steel over there. So I cut it up. It's been sitting since we moved everything over here. So it's got a heap of dirt on one side. But that's the top side, which is nice. So that'll be the top. That'll be the bottom you don't see. So, because I put it on grass and it killed it and turned all the dirt. Also moved the cruiser up here and took its roof rack off. So got some work to do to that, and then gonna finish this.
Been plenty time that I could've died. Lucky Sunny Slim got 100 lives. Knock the rings out and I'ma fit my pinky with it. Fuck a Jada Pinkett, I get jiggy with it. You with it, then we can get it going. Talking bitch shit and you just a semi-colon head of the state, and I cannot be demoted. I put his head on the stake and make him hold it 2 out the meter. Can't say too many ways that I need her. It's a bread on the plate, she a eater. Need some bread on the plate for the feature. I'm a beast, look boy, I'm a creature. Ain't no money to make for me being tame. For I tell on myself I'm a plea insane. There's some folks in here with me, yo, keep it chain, and I swear they keep talking all around around my head, I hear it all day. I hope nobody don't tell the end alright. Cause I'm a sinner to hell and then y'all wait. Gon' probably send me to hell, I need peace sign. For my shoulder, devil's on east side. Now who's stronger, man, I'm getting deep fried. But I'm colder than a white polar until I'm over. Trying to stay woke in a high full of sleepers. I can leave earth anytime, no allegiance. Fuck all these hoes on that line too egregious. Had to be real one time for the region. I cannot get peace someday. Or just a little sleep someday. I know we gon' eat someday. And if the time divine, it won't be too late. Now it's a balance I've been trying to figure. In and out at times in my little feelings. My Valentine ain't want no dealings. And I can't blame you about that really. Cause ain't too much stable going on. Ain't nobody to say you on your own. I done took out a page from Rolling Stones. Advice might short the days and write the songs. Meanwhile I'll engage in other things. Dazing off the other dreams. Another page, another ream. And I still can't explain just what I see. Maybe I went made to walk, the wings fell off. And now I'm trapped inside the thought they birthed the flaw. Glad they brought the church to talk. Cause I need something to believe in. So make me believe. They keep talking all around my head, I hear it all day. I hope nobody don't tell the end alright. Cause I'm a sinner to hell and then y'all wait. Gon' probably send me to hell, I need peace sign. For my shoulder, devil's on east side. Now who's stronger, man, I'm getting deep fried. But I'm colder than a white polar until I'm over. Trying to stay.
Right, day 3, working on this workbench. Just spent the morning on the mower, mowing everything around this POS. I decided to go buy another cruiser, so I bought a parts truck that was dropped here by tow truck. Got the Hungy up here, been tinkering on that between everything else, but back on this workbench. We dragged it inside last night for all that rain, luckily. I've gone through and put a heap of stitch welds along the back and down this side. And then I'm gonna go through today and clamp this front down. Probably tack this other edge. I'll tack this side down and stitches. And just get into it. And that's the bench in place. So it's a nice working height for me. You can actually lean on it. You can actually lean on it. I'm going to put vise in this corner. I've got a vise down the other shed. So that'll go here. And I will probably cover it to here with plywood as well. I don't actually know. I might cover it from there to there in plywood. I've got getting a piece of plywood for the big bench outside, which we'll do some stuff on in a second. I'm going to put a heap of wheels on it so I can wheel around, so I can start making everything usable. So I've got my little welding bench there, which I pulled this apart on and stuff. Just tidying up the shed, figuring out what I'm doing. Still nothing down that end. It's just all storage boxes I've got to go through. For us, Clex is this weekend. So right now it's Wednesday, Clex is this Saturday. Not taking the 60 this year because I haven't done anything on it. And I'm fairly sure vehicle entries is shut, but I was tempted to take that. But that thing's been in a crash, so it's all fucked up. But not taking the 60, but we are going. Hopefully this thing sells soon, these two. But I'm gonna probably make a board and stick it in a couple mates' cars, showing motor for sale, contact details. But yeah, that's the bench in. It's actually pretty solid considering it's just sitting there. I quickly stood it up and used a pencil. The age-old trick. Even though I know my concrete is fairly well dead flat, except for a low spot over here and a low spot on the awning, went around it with a pencil, stood it on its feet, made it so it was level. And you go around with a pencil normally, or you put a packer under a pencil so it's a certain height, and you just trace around the leg, and that way you cut off. So if your legs aren't exactly cut dead flat, you know, so I've got a couple little squares of crap off the ends, so it now sits dead flat and sturdy.
Fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Getting late. Come on now,